Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to quickly switch between distinct profiles in Logitech G Hub App on your Logitech G502 X Plus. Okay, so first we need to create our shortcut. So thanks to that, when we click the G9 button, for example, we'll quickly switch a profile. So first go into the devices in your Logitech G Hub app. Now go into assignments. Now go into system, scroll down, find G Hub and profile cycle. Then you will have to grab it and select for which key you want to use it. I'll stick to G9, this one right in here. And now we need to go back. In here, also click on yes. Now go into profiles. And in here on the right side, we have add profiles. We need to tap on that. So let's say we'll create two profiles. For example, let's name one FPS. So it will be for the FPS games. And the second one, maybe MMO. Okay, now click on save. And now when I'll click the G9 button, you can see that those modes are changing. You also need to enable the profile switching in here on the left side. And now when I'm clicking, everything is changing. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.